Did you know that in 2023, Amazon generated nearly $575 billion in net sales revenue? Its sprawling marketplace, attracting millions of sellers and an even larger pool of buyers, stands as a testament to its dominance in the digital commerce space. For small to medium businesses, Amazon is not just an opportunity. It's a gateway to global competition, offering unparalleled customer reach and logistical support. But with great opportunity comes great competition. Navigating Amazon's landscape requires more than just listing your products. It demands strategic acumen, savvy marketing, and an understanding of Amazon's intricate ecosystem. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to carve out your niche on Amazon in 2024, from listing your products to optimizing your presence and managing customer interactions. So let's dive right into the video. Now, the first thing that we need to talk about is software. To start online arbitrage, you need three key software tools: Keepa for data on buying decisions, a profit and loss calculator like SellerAmp for profitability analysis, and a strong recommendation for IP Alert to avoid brand IP issues. Product research. Product research is crucial in online arbitrage, even more so than sourcing inventory. Without the ability to assess data effectively, your business could suffer. Neglecting this skill leads to purchasing unsellable or unprofitable items, jeopardizing your success. One major challenge in online arbitrage is price tanking, likely due to its accessible entry barrier. To mitigate this risk, consider three factors during research. Firstly, watch out for price spikes, where a sudden increase may signal an impending drop. Secondly, monitor rising seller counts on listings, indicating potential price decreases. These strategies are essential for avoiding losses and maintaining profitability in the online arbitrage business. Product sourcing. After mastering product research and understanding challenges like price tanking, the next step is product sourcing, acquiring inventory for resale. Effective sourcing encompasses strategies like online arbitrage, wholesale, or private label. Each approach has its advantages and drawbacks, so selecting the most suitable method is crucial based on your objectives and resources. Scaling your business. After achieving success with your initial products, scaling your business becomes the priority. This entails broadening your product range, ramping up inventory, and streamlining operations for efficiency. Strategies may include outsourcing tasks, implementing software automation, or hiring employees to manage workload effectively. Adapting to changes. In the dynamic e-commerce landscape, flexibility is key to success. Adaptation is crucial, whether it's refining product selection according to market trends, optimizing pricing strategies, or exploring new sales channels. By remaining agile and proactive, you can ensure sustained growth and success over time. If you easily find a product, expect others to do the same, leading to increased competition. For instance, during a massive Nike sale, a profitable item on page one attracts many buyers due to site traffic. However, sourcing location matters. Finding something quickly at grocery outlet faces less competition than major retailers like Walmart or Nike. Consider competition levels before heavily investing in a product. Next up is product sourcing. Product sourcing involves finding and purchasing inventory, often done concurrently with research. Consistent daily effort is crucial for skill development. Inconsistent efforts yield poor results. Mastery takes time. Immediate profitability is rare. Storefront stocking, explained with SellerAmp Chrome extension, is foundational and versatile. Learn and excel in it before integrating with other sourcing methods. Starting with no specific product in mind, a common strategy is to search for popular arbitrage brands on Amazon, such as Nike. Using tools like Amazon DS Quick View, we can filter out listings dominated by Amazon or with too few FBA sellers. We then focus on listings with potential for profitability, examining details like seller ratings. Utilizing the SellerAmp Chrome extension, we can analyze sellers' storefronts for insights into profitable products they've sourced. It's important to target sellers with moderate ratings, as those with high ratings may source products at prices difficult to compete with. Once identified, we delve into their storefronts for efficient storefront stocking. Streamlining the process, we can search by brand or category, quickly qualifying or disqualifying listings based on factors like pricing competitiveness and Amazon dominance indicated by Keepa screenshots. This method allows for rapid product research and sourcing, optimizing efficiency in the arbitrage process. Now, what we have here is we have the current sales rank. We have the max cost that we need to buy it at to be profitable at this by box price. We have all of the offers, 17 FBA sellers, for FBM sellers, and we have the current stock and just a screenshot in time of Keepa, and then we have what this seller is selling their product at. Okay, so what we're going to do from here is that we can then click on the Google button, and then it will take us to all of the listings on Google that maybe we can find from a different retail website, and then it's going to give us the Amazon listing that we can click on to then evaluate the data even further. To expedite the process, I've briefly reviewed the storefront for Haviland knives, identifying a 12-count pack priced at $10 on Shields, matching Amazon's product precisely, offers potential profit. With a 10% cashback rebate and assuming prep center and tax-free state advantages, we estimate the total cost at $11. Entering this into the listing yields a profit of $2.51 at a 22% ROI. Further evaluation ensures the product's suitability. This outlines the method. Search for a brand like Nike on Amazon, locate a promising product, and then analyze and source efficiently by storefront stocking. Next step is to discover and refine your niche. Now, the reason I say refine your niche and not choose your niche right from the beginning is because in the beginning, you just need to get reps. You need to get as many reps as possible, and when you start product sourcing, you're going to be taking in so many different avenues. Over time, after doing this day after day, you're going to notice that you naturally start lasering in on one area. Maybe you're having a lot of luck with shoes, or toys, or supplements, or beauty, whatever it may be, but you're going to start naturally veering in that direction, and that's where you start refining your niche. Then you're going to build some expertise. You're going to be able to recognize brands that sell really well, you're going to recognize products that sell really well, and you're going to be able to recognize prices that you need to get those products at. And once you get to that point, product sourcing becomes way more efficient. Next is discount gift cards. This one is really slept on, in my opinion, but it is a good way to consistently and predictably get an additional 5 to 10% off on your products. If you go to sites like Raise.com or the gift card section in Top Cashback, you will have access to a lot of these discount gift cards. While wholesale ungating on Amazon is straightforward with supplier invoices, arbitrage ungating is more challenging. Historically, email confirmations or packing slips sufficed, but abuse led to crackdowns. Amazon now tightens ungating procedures, making it increasingly difficult. Many brands are gated, and the process is becoming more stringent. From day one, you need to keep track of every single purchase that you make. Write down where you got that product from, how many you ordered, how you were able to get that price, and any other additional details that you think are important. In the beginning, this is nothing special, but after you've sourced so many products month after month, this will turn into the best possible leads list that you could ever have access to. Think about it. You kept track of every single purchase, and once you go back, every single product that you see on that list has been purchased, has been vetted, and has been tested. So all you need to do is go back and see which are still worth restocking. And you can focus on restocking the ones that you've already tested and vetted. Next one is inventory management and repricing. Using a repricer is crucial once your inventory is in the FBA warehouse, ensuring automated price adjustments throughout the day to boost inventory turnover. Manual repricing wastes time, as competitors also utilize repricers. Additionally, implement an inventory management tool like Sellerboard to track profitability, restocking needs, and overall business performance. This insight enables strategic decision-making to enhance or maintain business operations effectively. In conclusion, the realm of online arbitrage on Amazon continues to offer boundless opportunities for entrepreneurial spirits and seasoned sellers alike. Online arbitrage is a dynamic and lucrative path to explore in the world of Amazon selling. As you embark on your sales journey, remember that dedication, adaptability, and a keen eye for profitable opportunities will be your greatest assets.